Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in the previous video I have talked about the SOP, the examples of the SOP. In this video I am going to talk about the examples of POS. So here is an example to convert it into the standard form of POS. So first step to do is check the given term is in the standard form or not. So you might be seeing it is not in the standard form because this term is having all the terms A, B, C, but this term is missing B and C. So we have to bring the B and C to this term also. So how to do it? As I already told, for P for SOP we are going to use the 1 and POS we are going to use the 0. So let us use this 0. How to use it? What do you mean by using the 0? So this is one of the trick you have to remember always to the conversion of this type of problems. So first we will bring the 0 in the term a plus 0 plus 0 because the two terms are missing, that is B and C. After adding this we will get back to A, then the term A plus B plus C as it is because it is already in the standard form. So the next thing we have to do is we will have to change this 0. There is one property that is A dot A bar is equal to 0. This property, because if A is equal to 1, then A bar will be equal to 0. Then 1 into 0 is going to be a 0, or vice versa. If A is equal to 0, A bar will be equal to 1. You can use this also. So we are using this property, that is A dot A bar equal to 0. So we are having already A, then plus we will convert this B into B dot B bar and this 0 into C dot C bar, then we will put a bracket, then this has it is A plus B plus C. Then we are using one property here. The property I have written it already here. The property is if x plus y into z, we can convert it has x plus y into x plus z. So we are going to use it here. So we'll first write it neatly, that is a plus, so I will write this term once again with a neat a plus p dot p bar, then plus c dot c bar, then a plus b plus c as it is. So this term we will consider it as x, this whole term a plus b dot b bar, and this we will consider it as y and z, and we will use this formula to convert them. So we'll convert it as, so this is x, so keep it as a plus b dot b bar. So we have to bring one y with it, that is c. Then again we have to write the x, that is we are using this formula. So here whole x is this a plus b dot b bar and y is what, c. Then again we will write it as whole x, then again z is what, c bar. So we will write it as a plus b dot b bar into z is what, plus z is what, c bar. Then this whole term as it is, that is a plus b plus c. So I will continue it here. So this we have got now. Again we can use this same formula for this, yeah, because we can make here a plus c has x and b dot b bar has yz. So we'll consider, I will make it again neatly here. So a plus c plus b dot b bar, then a plus b, a plus c bar plus b dot b bar, then a plus b plus c. Okay, then we will consider this a plus c has x and this has y and this has z. Again here this has x and this has y and this has z. So we will use that formula again, that is this we will write as a plus c x, then plus b, then a plus c plus z, that is b bar. Then again same to same, I plus c bar plus b, then a plus c bar plus b bar, and then a plus b plus c. So this we have got a standard POS. So this is what the standard POS is: a plus c plus b, a plus c plus b bar, a plus c bar plus b, a plus c bar plus b bar, a plus b plus c. So you might be seeing this a plus b plus c two times. So this has to be written as one time, because you might be seeing the property a dot a is equal to a, that is 1 dot 1 is equal to 1 if a is equal to 1. So this property we are going to use. So we'll use that property and write it as a plus c plus b, then a plus c plus. So this is a final answer: a plus c plus b bar, then a plus c bar plus b, and a plus c bar plus b bar. So this is what the final answer is. So this is the final answer. Okay, one more example here I have written. I will take it in the next page and solve, or else I will take it here only. So this is one more example I have brought here. So this is one more example, that is example is a bar b plus c. Again this has to be solved same way, that here are the missing terms are b and c. So first we will bring the zeros in it, that is a bar plus 0 plus 0 and whole bracket b plus c plus 0, because here a is missing, here is also one term missing. Then a bar plus 0 plus 0, here the term b is missing, so b into b bar, plus here c is missing, c into c bar. Here the only term is missing is a, so a into a bar plus b plus c. So we are going to use the same property which we have already used. So we will make this whole term has x, and this one has y, and this one has z, and here we are going to make, which one has to be made x. Pause for one thing, 1 minute, and tell yourself which we have to you choose as x and which we have to choose as z. So then we have to choose this whole term has x, and this whole term has y, and this term has z. So we are going to use the property. That property I am going to write it here once again, that is, if it is x plus yz, we can write it as x into y plus x into y plus, no, this is wrong. We can write it as x plus y into x plus z. So this is the property I have written it already, x plus y plus x plus z. So this property we have to use it here. So I will write it as, so x I am going to write first as it is a bar plus b into b bar, then I am going to write a y, then again a bar plus b into b bar plus z, and then we are going to use it here. X write it as it is first b plus c, then y, then again b plus c, then again a bar. So this is that. Then again we have to simplify this also. So first we will make this c and a has x and b has y and b bar has z. The same way we can split in this term also. So we will write it. So here x is a bar c. No, first I will write it neatly only. So a bar plus c plus b bar then A bar plus B bar plus, so I have made here mistake I guess. Here it has to be C bar plus, so C bar has to be brought this side and I will make this as B bar, and the other two terms are brought as it is, that is A plus B plus C, then A bar plus B plus C. So this was it. Then we have to make this, we have to make this whole term as X, and this has Y, and this has Z, and same way we have to split this term also, that is this whole term as X, and this one you can make anyone has Y and anyone has Z, and use this property again here, that is whole X is written as it is, then Y, then again whole X term is written as it is, again then Z. This is one term, again whole X is written as it is, A bar plus C bar plus B, again A bar plus C bar, A bar plus C bar plus B bar, and again these whole terms are written as it is, A plus B plus C and A bar plus B plus C. So this is one answer. Okay, so the final answer is going to be, you must see there are any repetitive terms and write them as 1, that is A bar plus C plus B is 1, A bar plus C plus B. So this is, you might be seeing this is 2 times, but I might think it is wrong, right? Oh, okay, this is B bar. Yes, that is B bar, and then A bar plus C bar plus B, it is also 1 times only. A bar plus C bar plus B bar, A plus B plus BC, then A bar plus B plus C. Here all are 1 times only. So this is a final answer I guess. If there is something wrong, you can comment it. So this is a final answer. So here one more example I have bought. I'm going to make it as a homework here. You try it yourself. That is P plus Q bar and then P plus R. So here are the missing terms. In this term it is R, and in this term it is Q. You have to bring it using the steps which I have done here. So that's it for today. Thank you.